what she looks like now with the green. Started sanding the hood. And then we'll get the kit put on once the side skirts and the rear bumper come in. And then she should be looking good at that point. Or at least better now, because the clear coat's already starting to come up on the green. And the clear coat on the black on the roof is already all up, so might as well put a fresh coat of paint on her. Have her looking pretty. Yep. There she is. Almost done. Probably gonna wet sand today. Prep it more, get it ready. So then that way tomorrow we don't have to do too much. Sanding's pretty much all done. I have to go to the store to get a paint gun and some tape. I'm all out from the last paint job. Other than that, we'll call it a day today after I get the paint gun and start wiping everything down tomorrow, and then hit the booth on Saturday morning and start taping her up. Woo woo! Alright, get it set up. I'm good, my guy. Better take a nap? You party too hard? I'll wake you up when I'm done. We can go get some food. Yeah, the plastic's already over here. This is the lady that always helps out. She runs this booth. Little massage spot. Need to paint. Booth for rent. It's coming along.
Mix of this and the corn oil fryer. Pretty picture.
What is it? This is awesome.
You want a picture?
Yeah.
Awesome.
This is your spot. This is tight. Feeding us and everything. My man was getting fed strawberries.
Yeah, bro.
Oh man, the life.
Behind the line.
I was living it.
They can't